I think that first camera move is okay, and that cut's okay, but that cut is unnecessary and distracting. And then there's another cut, and then the camera starts to move again. There's just too many cuts. I would do the You can do the kind of crane down at the beginning, and then I would just cut to one other shot, and that's it. Let's take a look in the My file. Um, so, so what I would say is, let's see what happens if we just stay in this shot for the rest of it. I'm just going to select all those and delete them. So you've got a few good poses in there. Um, so yeah, simplify the camera. You don't have to do exactly like this, but you have way too much shots, way too many camera moves. So really simplify it. Probably just two different shots. I think there's obviously too much space at the beginning there. You don't need this much dead time. What I would say is what would be nice is I like how he's got his hand on the floor there, and I like that. But I think that you'll need another pose or two to get from here to there. Because how does he suddenly, you know what I mean? Like, I think he's going to have to first slide his foot back, then probably push his center of gravity forward, maybe lean his head over it, and then, and then push up from there. Kind of, yeah. I think you just need one or two more poses in between there to get that going. Um, but the poses basically look pretty good and thoughtful, actually. It looks like you're really taking some care on those. And speaking of this camera angle, it might look a little better or something, a little kind of lower. Kind of shows the action a little better. Maybe you had one like that before. I just thought there was too much. The camera movement was too much distracting stuff going on. Um, Looks like you did add a few more things to the set, which is good. Is that right? Maybe a couple of these little things. All right. So yeah, good poses, but just need more breakdown poses, and yeah, simplify the camera.